that patience which you have, and I wish you wonderful 2009. Number 3, the Geminis. I call them daydreamers because they are the one who keep on thinking throughout that life, and because of this intellect and because of this dreaming, they always strive to do more. Brand ambassadors for Gemini, one and only Rahul Gandhi. Second is Angelina Jolie, and the third is our own Angelina, Shilpa Shetty. These are the 3 brand ambassadors for Gemini, and the most intelligent and yes, dynamic people. 2009 for all Geminis, this year is a change in your relationship. You need to check on your relation because due to some reason or other there will be some rift. You need to check on that. And having said that, there's another door of opportunity opening for you, especially for people who are unmarried, because this is a time for indulgence. You need to check on that. As a word of caution though. Monetary wise, yes, there will be some delays as I can see, but there will be a lot of travels, and I think you love traveling, and this is a year which will clearly give you a lot of new things in your life. So wish you good luck for 2009. नंबर 4, कैंसरियंस. पहले तो हम एम्बेसडर्स की बात करेंगे और कैंसर्स के लिए महेंद्र सिंह धोनी एंड एट द सेम टाइम कैटरीना कैफ, जो ख्याल तो रखती हैं दिल से लेकिन लोगों की धड़कनें भी रुक जाती हैं उनकी वजह से. और तीसरी हमारी एम्बेसडर हैं कैंसर इनके लिए, वो है प्रियंका चोपड़ा. कैंसर का ये साल जाने वाला है, थोड़ा सा हेल्थ इश्यूज यहाँ पे रहेगा. करियर में ग्रोथ ज़रूर होगा. पीपल हु आर इनटू सम जॉब, they may get some good opportunity, or it can be in the same organization you can get a raise or a promotion. Financial wise there will be some kind of constraints this year, but at the same time you are the one जिनके पास तसल्ली है, contentment है, and I think you will be leading a better life in 2009, and I wish you all the best. Number 5, Leo. उसको हम सिंह कहते हैं. Singh is always king. They want to rule, they want to lead from the front. And who else? The change, we are talking about the change has come. Yes, he's Barack Obama, the real brand ambassador for Leos. And apart from that, हमारे पास बिल गेट्स हैं. बहुत कुछ किया लोगों के लिए, अब करना चाहते हैं, and that is the best thing about it. And सैफ अली खान. और बाकी सब के लिए मैं ज़रूर कहना चाहता हूँ, this is a year when lot of you are looking for some kind of accumulation. वो वेल्थ भी हो सकता है, फिक्स एसेट्स भी हैं, प्रॉपर्टीज़ भी हैं, फिक्स डिपॉजिट्स भी हैं, और स्पेशली रिसेशन में आई थिंक डिपॉजिट होना भी चाहिए. तो यू विल आई थिंक कैच होल्ड ऑफ यू वट एवर यू हैव लिक्विडिटी इन योर हैंड. एट द सेम टाइम यू नीड टू लेट गो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, बिकॉज किसी ना किसी वजह से आप सोचते रहेंगे. तो वो छोटी सी चीज़ है जो आपको हर्ट करने की कोशिश करेगी, लेकिन यू हैव टू इग्नोर, एंड एज दे से इग्नोरेंस इज ब्लिस. दिस इज फॉर यू. So 2009 would be a wonderful year, and I wish you good luck. Virgos, the most intelligent people on earth. हमेशा दिमाग से सोचने वाले इंसान और सोचते ही रहने वाले इंसान. और इस समय कौन कौन सोच रहा है? इस समय वर्गोज में करीना कपूर सोच रही हैं, बिकॉज yes, everybody knows the reason about it. Keanu Reeves, yes, and हमारे अपने Keanu Reeves हैं, अक्षय कुमार, वो भी ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैं. वर्गोज है the most intelligent people, and I think they are doing well. बाकी सबके लिए ये साल तो है बहुत सारा रिकग्निशन लाने वाला है. यू वांट द बेस्ट, और अपना जो आपका जो इंटेलेक्ट है उसको भी यूज़ करते हैं टू गेट रिकग्निशन. एंड दिस इज द ईयर 2009 विल बी द ईयर व्हेन यू विल बी गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ रिकग्निशन इन योर लाइफ. ये वो साल है जो कुछ ना कुछ आपके रिलेशनशिप में कुछ ना कुछ नेगेटिव फैक्टर लाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. यू नीड टू चेक ऑन योर रिलेशंस. बेसिकली आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट योर फ्रेंड्स एंड योर कलीग्स एज वेल. और कहते हैं अ मैन इज नोन बाय द कंपनी इज कीप्स. तो ये वो साल है जिसमें अपनी कंपनी को इंटैक्ट रखना है और अपनी लाइफ को बेहतर बनाना है. सो आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर 2009.
Well, if you ask me, I'm a Libran. और संदीप ने मेरे लिए जो प्रेडिक्ट किया है काफ़ी ऐप्ट निकला है. And I hope there are for you too. But there are few things in life that cannot be predicted. Just like terror of terrorism. दुनिया में टेररिज्म बढ़ता ही जा रहा है. दुनिया के हर कोने में टेररिस्ट अटैक होने लगे हैं. And 26/11 in Mumbai was no exception. Families were destroyed and the city was horrified. ऐसे में हमें क्या करना चाहिए? So let's focus on terrorism in high focus. It's very important to stand together as a global community in the wake of a terror attack. तो चलते हैं Indian High School where the people got together to honor the people who lost their lives in the Mumbai terror attack.
targeted Mumbai itself, which is the symbol of India's economic strength, of her business acumen, and of her financial prowess. We know and we are all aware that it is blind hatred, perverted ideology which drives people to such madness. But at the same time, the spirit of India will never die as long as we have people like the staff of the two hotels who, instead of running away for safety, stayed back and tried to help and to save as many of the hotel guests as possible.
And now let's meet two very strong women, Kiran Bedi and Preeti Zinta, and find out what's their take on terrorism.
Well, I am an Indian, you know. If something happens to my country, I do feel for my country. And it's not about Mumbai. The attack on Mumbai was not Mumbai. It was an attack on India. And as an Indian, I felt I needed to express myself. And
this was preventable if we had worked properly and methodically over the years. Signals, challenges to reform and change were substantial. But we never learned from one after the other. I think we hoped that things would die down, but they didn't. So has the international community woken up for the first time. Never had it happened before. So it's been an international and a national awakening. It's like shaking up from slumber, saying, you don't put your house in order, you will be losing lives like this. So I think, and next, another very valid point is the citizens for the first time of this country have said the word enough is enough.
जो आज किसी और के साथ हुआ है कल हमारे साथ हो सकता है. Nobody is an exception when it comes to terrorism. Terrorism can hit any race, religion or strata of society. So let's make this our New Year's resolution to stand united and speak up against the wave of terrorism. With that, we come to the end of this week's episode. आप सबको नए साल की एक बार फिर से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. और अगर आप सोच रहे हैं मैं ये एपिसोड कहाँ शूट कर रही हूँ, well then I'm at the Madinat Jumeirah where the Dubai International Film Festival is taking place. So see you next week on the red carpet of Dubai International Film Festival. That's a lot of fun, so don't miss it. मिलते हैं अगले हफ्ते. Till then, have fun.
Hi, this is Neil Nathan Mukesh.
I'm Deepa Mehta.
Hi, this is Rocky S.
Hi, this is Sanjay Suri.
Rakesh Prakash Mehra.
This is Manisha Lamba.
This is Nandita Das.
Shahana Goswami.
This is Vikram Fadnis.
I am Sudhir Mishra.
Hi, I'm Mandira Bedi.
And I wish all the viewers of
Sony Entertainment Channel.
great Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
A very happy new year.
A very happy new year.
Very, very happy New Year.
Have a really great year.
Have a prosperous new year and keep watching High Life.
High Life Dubai.
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 High Life Dubai.